One of the joys of repairing and restoring old computers is you get to deal with filthy old keyboards. And that is usually one of the most time-consuming parts, to get them all clean, shiny, pristine, back to their original color again. This is one such keyboard. It's an Apple keyboard 2. Don't know if you can see that properly. And I got this with an LC475, and I haven't tested it yet, but they're usually pretty robust. I assume this to be fully working, but it is filthy. There is dust and dirt everywhere. I've already started taking off the keycaps to give it a proper clean. I usually fully disassemble it, wash it off, clean it, might bleach it as well, and that way give it some more new life. In order to get the keycaps off, I usually use a tool like this. Makes it very easy. On this specific model, you're lucky if you get the keycaps off like this, but if not, it comes out like this. Now that's obviously not so good to get into contact with water, because that metal spring in here that's responsible for making contact might rust out under you if it's not dried properly, especially if you're planning on submerging those in hydrogen peroxide solution to retropride the plastics. But what you can do is you simply get some pliers and very carefully whittle back and forth a little bit, get the mounting piece off and stick that back onto the keyboard before then proceeding to clean and bleach, if you wish, the keycap itself. Takes a little bit more time, fairly annoying, but that's what you do to keep these going.